Cybercrime is real, it's organized, and it's happening in our community. Join us for the free Cyber Defense Workshop at Owensboro Convention Center, Wednesday, September 4th. Learn proactive defense strategies to keep your business safe. Don't let cyber threats be the end of your hard work. Register today at cyber.fastekloc.com.
Staying ahead of cyber threats is crucial for the safety and success of your business. Our Cyber Defense Workshop is designed to empower you with the knowledge and tools to protect your business against the ever-evolving landscape of cyber threats. Receive advice and guidance from cybersecurity experts who understand the challenges small businesses face. Learn strategies that you can apply right away to protect your business. Join us on Wednesday, September 4th at the Owensboro Convention Center and take a proactive step towards securing your business's digital future.